Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another wig unboxing slash try on. This one from LUVME Hair. I love it. If you can't tell, like, it's super cute. It definitely looks so amazing on me. But yeah, if you want to know more information about this wig and also how I styled it this way, then keep on watching. But before we get started with today's video, if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what you think of this wig so far. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Right, and here is the packaging from LUVME Hair. We have the wig, of course, which we'll get into the details in a few minutes. The packaging also includes a how-to guide and info card, a custom rat tail comb, a custom edge brush, a custom elastic edge band, some labels to put on the boxes in case you decide to store your wigs in the box, some HD wig caps, and a mesh storage bag to store your wig in. Alright, now let's get to the good stuff. This is the Go Natural Ease Kinky Curly Full Hair Glueless 5x5 Closure Lace Mid-Part Wig. This wig comes in 9 different lengths starting with 10 inches. I do have her in the 24 inch. She also comes pre-bleached and parted down the middle with a natural hairline. This wig comes with a 5x5 lace closure and a glueless cap construction. There are 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the middle, 1 comb in the back. There are adjustable straps and a detachable adjustable elastic band. It comes in 150% density with this really nice kinky curly texture. Now, because this is a glueless wig, we're going to go ahead and do a quick and easy glueless wig install. I'm starting off tinting the lace with my Ebon Lace Tint Spray in the shade Medium Dark Brown. You could definitely see the difference that made in the lace. Now, on the website, there is an option to order your wig with the lace already cut. As you can see, my wig did not come with pre-cut lace, so I ended up cutting the lace off camera. I also tightened the adjustable elastic strap all the way because, as you guys know, I am a part of the small head gang. And I'm using my wig grip cap for this install, so once the lace is adjusted and sitting where I want it to be, that is pretty much it. I don't have to do anything else to secure the wig. Now, I thought that the curls would give me more volume similar to an afro, but these curls actually, to me, are very similar to like maybe 4B hair. It is curly, but it's not super tight and kinky like an afro. It is more like an island curl. Like, the curls are very lightweight and long and loose. It definitely reminds me more of like a wet curl, not so much a kinky curl. But it is really soft, and with curly hair, you also want to make sure that you're not running your fingers through it too much or playing in it too much, because the more you keep your fingers in it and play with it, the frizzier it is going to be. So I only did a little bit to this wig. I did not do too much. I didn't want to get it super frizzy, and this is pretty much what it looks like straight out of the box. You guys can see that the curls are really beautiful. They're really shiny and soft. This is what the hair looks like from the back. It is super long, very flowy. The curls are very beautiful. Now, I decided to do a quick and easy hairstyle. You guys have probably seen this hairstyle all over TikTok. It used to be very popular. It's a little half up, half down with a claw clip hairstyle. I'm going to take out 2 long bang pieces in the front, and then I split the top half on the sides, if that makes sense. Hopefully y'all are visual learners, so you can see what I mean. So taking the top half and then sort of twisting it to the back and just clipping it with the claw clip. And to make it look really cute and polished, I fluffed out the hair that's sticking out from the claw clip. And that's pretty much it. Really cute and simple. What do you think? So that's it for today's video. This wig is super adorable. I really love the curls. If you all are interested in purchasing this wig or any wigs from LUVME Hair, I will leave all of their information in the description box below, along with a direct link to purchase this wig. If you decide to shop LUVME Hair, make sure you guys use my coupon code. It's right here on the screen, and it is also down in the description box below. Use it at the checkout, save yourself some coins. And if you love this type of content, there are a lot more videos over on my YouTube channel, so definitely go ahead and check it out. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because why not? Again, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.